Understanding, make amends, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, make amends. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. The phrase, make amends, refers to the act of repairing a situation where someone has been wronged or hurt. It's about taking steps to correct a mistake or a bad situation that one has caused. Making amends is not just about saying sorry. It's about taking action to show you mean it. This phrase has been around for centuries and comes from the Old French word, amender, meaning to correct or change for the better. It's a formal expression that carries a sincere and heartfelt connotation. Let's look at some examples. After realizing his error, he tried to make amends by apologizing and replacing the damaged goods. She wanted to make amends for the misunderstanding by writing a heartfelt letter. While to apologize is to express regret for something wrong, to make amends usually involves a step further. It's about action, doing something to make up for the harm caused. In different cultures, making amends can look different. It might involve a formal apology, a gesture of goodwill, or even a custom-specific act to show sincerity. Understanding this can be crucial in international communication and relationships. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, make amends, and how it's an important part of both the English language and interpersonal relations. Remember, making amends is about more than just words. It's about sincere actions to rectify a wrong. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.